Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will talk about to show bill of material components and the sales quotation in Odoo 19. By default, Odoo only shows the final product in the quotation, but in many business scenarios, customers also want to see the detailed components. So let's see how can we achieve this. So this is the main dashboard of Odoo, you can see. And now, first I will show you default features of sales quotation. So for that, we will just go to the sales module and then create a new quotation. Here I'm selecting my customer, Amba Garments, and here I'm adding my product FG. So I'm adding this product here, and if I will go to the master data, then I can see this has some BoM, means this has some BoM component. Now we will go back to the sales quotation and then I will just print this sales quotation from here. And if you will see the sales quotation, you can see it is only showing the final product, means it is only showing the FG, not the BOM component. Now I will show my customized sales report. So for that, we will just go to this database where I have customized the sales report, and here I will create my sales quotation for any customer, and I'm selecting my FG, and this FG has also some beer, so I will just save this and then I will just print this sales quotation. When I will click on print it, the sales quotation will print it. Now you can see my sales quotation. It is showing like this, means the FG is this and the BOM component is this. So it is showing also the BOM component and the FG both. So that's what some customers want in their manufacturing or any other businesses. So that report helps us like that. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.